Good afternoon, it's Seamus Buyer here in the beautiful Cowichan Valley in Vancouver Island. And along with mortgage professional Amanda Jacobson, I'm going to be participating in a home buyers seminar, a series of 3. The first one starting on September 26th. We're going to have a building inspector, a lawyer there as well, and this is for people that have either never purchased a home before, if you're a first-time home buyer, or for those of you that have maybe not changed houses in the last, say, 5 years or so. A lot of the rules have changed, mortgage rules have changed, a lot of the licensing and agency rules have changed as far as realtors and everything goes. So if you want to know a little bit more about the process of buying a home, if you want to come ask some questions of some professionals in the industry, you've got some building inspector questions, for instance, come on down the Island Savings Community Center right beside the Cowichan Valley Sportsplex, September 26th, Wednesday evening. Come on down, ask some questions. Attendance is free, but space is limited. So if you want to come, send me an email, seamusbuyer@gmail.com. Don't forget to check out my blog, victoriahomesales.ca, for more information, and I'll check in with you guys a little bit later.